Hello everyone, I am back again with another video about Windows 10 hidden feature. In this video I will show you how you can stay protected from ransomware attack. Also I will discuss how one can get infect their PC with ransomware so that you can stay protected from them. So without talking too much, let's get started. So guys, first, let's start with how one can get attacked by ransomware. What are the main reasons? Instead of buying original software copy, most of the people use cracked software or repack software, and using those software can be a major cause of attack by ransomware virus. Number 2 is, while you trying to download any of the cracked software, you had to visit third-party website which contain a lots of vulnerability and pop-up ads. Those also cause a ransomware attack. Most of the time you get pop-up and those redirect you to another site, and wherever you visit that site, it comes with a pop-up to allow notification, and other one is to downloading exe files. This too is real cause of ransomware attack. Now let me show you the free and secure way to prevent this attack without using any antivirus or paid software. Most of the easy and simple way is to use any Linux distribution, because Linux operating system percentage of get attacked by ransomware is very low, and Linux is the most secure operating system. This video is basically for Windows user. There is a Windows hidden option named Windows SandBox. Using that option, you can keep your PC protected from getting attacked by ransomware. First, you have to enable the hidden feature named Windows SandBox. To do it, go to Turn On or Off Windows Features. You will find it into App Installation page from Control Panel. Now scroll down and find Windows SandBox option. Then check that option and apply it. Now it will restart your computer. Okay. Now click on Start and search for Windows SandBox. Open it and it will give you a copy of your Windows 10 PC, fresh installed. Now the trick is, before installing any cracked software downloaded from third-party website on your main computer, I suggest you to first install it into this SandBox machine. If you didn't do any malicious activities on SandBox, then you can install that software on your main PC. Do not get worried. If you get attacked on SandBox, you just need to close the SandBox and reopen, and it will get clean again, and that will not affect on your main computer. The process is also same for visiting third-party website and opening malicious email attachment. Just do it into SandBox, and in this way you can always stay protected from ransomware attacks. So guys, that's all for today. Hope this video helped you to stay protected from ransomware attack. If you like this video, then give it a big thumbs up and share this video with your friend. And if you are new on my channel, then please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get more upcoming video tutorials. Thanks for your watching.